Hello everyone, and welcome to Hacker4Help. In this video, we'll be solving the question MacroHard weak edge. I've hidden a flag in this file, can you find it? And we have a file called forensicsisfun.pptm. This is a ppt file, so we'll copy the link address and we will go to our web shell. So let's make a directory and call it macro, and let's cd into this directory, and let's use the wget function to download this file. And so we have forensicsisfun.pptm in this directory. If you try downloading the file and opening it in normal PowerPoint, this is the pop-up that appears. So there's some problem with the content and we can't open the file properly. So let's go back to the web shell and see what we can do. So here we have the file forensicsisfun, the ppt file. And so what we can do is we can use binwork, which we used in a previous video, and it's used to extract hidden files from a given file. So what we can do is we can type binwork space -e, which is to extract, space forensicsisfun, and let's see if there's any files that can be extracted. Okay, so we have a lot of files that have been downloaded. We have a lot of slides, we have a bunch of stuff, and if we just look through this list, we can see two things. We can see over here we have this ppt vba project.bin, which is a binary file, and we can possibly hide a flag in that, so we will open it and see what's in the contents of this. And we also see a ppt slide masters, a hidden file, so this could also lead to some other data, so we will find what is hidden in both. So first we will list whatever is there, and we will cd into the ppt folder first. So we will cd into the forensics folder, and then we will cd into the ppt folder. Now if we type ls, we have a bunch of stuff, and we have the vba project.bin. So we can use the strings function to check if there's any variable strings, which is how you would operate a normal binary file. So now if we perform this on the binary file, we have a bunch of strings over here, and we can see it says sorry, but this isn't it. So this is not the file that it's supposed to be accessing. So let's try the other file, and that file was in slide masters, so let's cd into slide masters, and we have the hidden file. So first let's just see what kind of file it is, and we can do that by typing file space followed by the file that we want to know about, and it says it's an ASCII text with no line terminators. So basically the file contains text, which means we can use the cat function, which is used to open text files. We can use this on the hidden file, and as we can see, we have a bunch of letters over here separated by spaces. So this could possibly lead to a flag, so we need to try to decode this somehow. So the first step is to remove the spaces, and so I've copied this, and now what we can do, we can use the tr function. So if we do tr -help, the tr function is used to basically translate, squeeze, or delete characters. So if we want, we could delete the spaces from this string over here. So let's do echo space and paste the letters that we have, followed by a bar space tr space -d, which is to delete, and in quotes we will put just a space. So basically echo gives back whatever we have written, and so if we do echo these letters with it trimming the spaces, it just gives us the letters without the spaces, and now we have the letters without the spaces. And now that we have this, we can see that it looks very familiar. It actually looks like some kind of base64 decryption, and so since we have it here, we can just perform the base64 decryption in the terminal itself without opening a new website. So what we can do is we can use this, put another bar, and write base64 space -d, and we hit enter. We have our flag over here, Picoctf space did you know ppts are zipped. So now we copy this, and we can simply go back to our Pico website and paste it here, and we solve the question. Thank you.